of my dear friends, Mr. Russel Brunson, who owns ClickFunnels. I'm going to speak at his private mastermind tonight. Our Uber is almost here. Let's go. Uber's here.
Stuff you're doing. I'm a friend of Aaron Wagner too. He's cool. He grew up in Canada, what I did. And,
oh, no kidding?
Yeah.
Nice.
So I've been down here with Russell for a good chunk of time.
Nice. How many guys you got here now? Or how many people are in for the event?
Oh, so there's almost 200 people here.
Oh, cool.
So he's got his inner circle program. Again, it's 50,000, and then people from his upper programs can come, and so some of those people are here too. Cool. So yeah. And some of them bring guests and whatever else.
Nice. Hey, Russell.
It's good to meet you.
Yeah, Russell.
I'm Connor.
Cody.
How's the event?
Dude, did you hear about it?
Heard you didn't talk for 45 minutes.
Shit happened.
But also going to be something that is going to change all your lives while they're here. So I'm super grateful for them coming. In fact, this morning I was like, I want to make sure this person's still coming. And then he sent me a picture of him in a helicopter. He's like, I'm flying in. He's like, is there any place I can land a helicopter in Boise? I'm like, you should have asked him that before you were in Boise in a helicopter. I thought you were flying or driving or something. And so we had to figure out a place to land a helicopter. And then anyway. As sometimes as entrepreneurs, we do things and we get beat up by outside forces, and watching Peter rise in the face of that over and over and over again. And something I thought as we were preparing this event, I was like, how cool would it be to have Sean Whalen come and speak to the inner circle and talk to us about how he's done and things he's gone through, and then also potentially open up some Q&As and have him kind of share some stuff for you guys. So I'm grateful that he was willing to jump in a helicopter, fly here to Boise, Idaho, to spend the night with you guys. So if you can all put our hands together for Sean Whalen.
This is a great song. Okay. Guys, why does everybody think I'm controversial? Well, how many of you have no idea who I am? Raise your hands. No, don't do that. I want to know who I'm talking to. Okay, that's fine. I don't care if you do or not.
Thank you.
Nothing like the smell of jet A.
Jet fuel. Russell, you're awesome. Thanks for having me, man. Just finished up with Russell Brunson's absolutely killer mastermind. The guy is killing the game. Russell, thanks for having me. Jumping on the helicopter, headed back home. Until next time.